Why are rules important in a classroom? Remote environments are a very different experience from the one in class, and so the students need to know what to expect and also what is expected of them during the classes. Establish agreements. It is important that students participate and help in the construction of agreements for the class. Use one of your sessions to ask them questions about their experience and see what they suggest. You can ask them things like, what is the attire for class? What should we do when we come in? When should the microphones be turned on? You will be amazed at how many ideas they have and how well they handle the online environment. Think of non-negotiables for you. Depending on the age that you teach and the subject that you teach, there are some rules that are non-negotiable. For instance, attendance to class, handing in work, and honesty about work. You can establish which are the aspects that you will not negotiate in your class and that students must follow. Establishing these principles the first days of class will save you a lot of time later on. Think of negotiable principles as well. You can let your students participate and decide on several of the agreements of class. You can draw upon their previous experience and ask them what has worked for them in their previous classes. For example, how do they handle questions during lectures? Is it okay to interrupt? Should the questions be written or in the chat? Your students may have great ideas that you can negotiate with. Just remember your goal is to establish clear behavior principles and routines.